Z and Ab's Zaz project. Today we're working on this 1 Series. If you remember from the shorts we made, one of our family members' car which got hit from the side, as you can see from the front bumper has been hit, the wing, the headlight, everything's gone. So we brought it into this driveway here, we thought we must start working on it. But unfortunately we had a fuel leak on it, so diesel started leaking. So as you can see, the car's ramped up, Z's underneath it, we're working on it. So it was a fuel pipe that goes from fuel filter going up. Is a small black pipe which had a crack, perish basically, it's old, and so it started leaking quite bad. So we're changing that, that's been changed, and the car started up. We're letting it run for a little while and warm it up. But yeah, that's the damage on this car. The front bumper's been hit, headlight's been smashed, wings been hit. We have mechanically, I think it's fine, wishbones, everything's fine, so it's driving straight. So just gotta double check that, see if that any damage on that as well. And then we're going to start doing something else to it. We're going to start upgrading this car. What we've got is an M Sport rear bumper which is inside of the car, as you can see. So gonna hopefully put that into the car at the back. So we'll upgrade the normal bumper into the M Sport bumper. This is officially bought from Copart for one of our family members, and yeah, so we thought about this bumper's already damaged as it was, so we thought we'll replace that with an M Sport. We're thinking of replacing the front bumper to an M2 or a M Sport bumper, and we've got some BBS LM blacks with chrome lip on them. We're thinking of putting them on there as well. And then we can go further ahead and just put a twin pipe, well, not the full exhaust, but you can even put the tip onto the back of it. It has a twin pipe on it, so you can do that. And then also this rear light needs to looking into as well. It's the water gathering in again, so we've got another one for that. So there's water gathering into this light here, so we can we've got one actually light, so we can replace that as well. So yeah, that's so far the plan with this car. We are going to feel out, we're just running it for a little while just to make sure the car gets warmed up, and it's running, no leaks on the fuel pipe itself. But yeah, the plan is to make an M Sport model out of this. It is a 118D. So that's the fuel pipe that we use here. It's a official fuel pipe hose. So we used a bit of that, piece of that, and we've come down it here. He's already put the tray back on, so it's just underneath the tray. But the fuel filter comes from here, from back here, this way going towards the engine, and then the pipe goes up towards the car. So replace that. He's actually putting all the engine tray back in again, and then we can lower the car, and then we can start working on the rest of the car itself. So as you've been underneath the car, all sorted from underneath now, yeah?
All sorted. Have a look at, so if you look at underneath, you'll see the engine tray full of diesel.
Yeah, you can see it from there.
So the diesel was gashing out like tap water or sprinklers at the garden, but it's like that. And I was like, alright, it might be like a return pipe because the car switched off once the diesel ran out. Further investigation, there was a pipe split that you showed already.
Car is here, as you can see the bumper sticking out. So on the top is fine, and from here it's been pushed in. So I had a hit from here, and as I had a hit from here, it pushed this in. So we're going to push this back out and level it so it goes around the light and it fits with the bumper this way as well. So that's another task we got to do in this car. The good thing is there's no crease, there's no paint come off, so you literally just want to push it from inside out so it levels up with the bumper and the headlight. And then yeah, hopefully once we've done that, get the M Sport kit on it, got BBS LM is going to put them on there, sort the headlight out, sort the wing out, and then hopefully we'll have this car back on the road.
Originally we bought this car from Copart.
Yeah, I did say that. I did tell him we bought it from Copart with the rear end damage. And we thought when we saw the damage, we thought it was just the bumper, rear arch. So but I was showing to them from that angle that the rear arch is going in from here.
This is going. We're gonna pull this out.
As it hit from here, it kind of pushed that in.
And this light was broken. We replaced.
That's
this we bought it.
Condensation going on in there.
Yes, we bought this cheap from eBay. The guy said this is spares repairs, but he didn't say why. And then later on time, the LED stopped working, so it's a bit temperamental. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But even saying that,
I've showed the M Sport bumper to them.
No, not just the M Sport bumper.
Yes.
So we got 2 rear lights, a full set. So this one we
Should sit
replaced
there.
that, and it is perfect. We bought this very cheap, complete set.
It was with the
Nothing-
bumper, wasn't it?
Nothing wrong with it. This, we bought that rear light, and we bought this. But we haven't seen it, to be honest, have we? Let's pull it out.
I was hoping the same color as well.
It is. Oh, same color, really?
Looks
Oh,
like
that's
it.
black. Yeah, we don't even know what color it is. But yeah, just check an M Sport rear bumper on that. You know what? It looks more chunkier than that.
Yeah, then you know what we can, this lip here we can change into the aggressive lip as well.
I mean, just look at it from this angle over here. It'll give a clean look. M Sport. We'll change the rear lights. It'll be a complete car from the back, and then what we need to do is get front M Sport bumper, side skirts, and we're doing some nice 19-inch LMs, BBS.
And I was saying to Z as well that you get these lights where you can get just pure grey color ones. Obviously inside they'll have the orange indicators, reversed white lights, but the outlook would be all grey, so you have grey with grey. He's saying no, that's a smoke black. He's saying no, he said let's keep original red.
Red looks nice. Red
We
on grey.
don't overdo it, just want to keep it subtle.
Obviously, change the interior into leather interior.
Yeah, and some nice leathers in it, or even an M Sport steering wheel as well. So yeah, I mean that's the M Sport. So we're starting off. So there's the M Sport bumper. We're sorting the fuel lines out. We're going to sort the rear quarter part out. So
Yeah,
let's
once we
make,
remove the rear bumper, the rear light, we can
I reckon once we do the like I said, remove the rear bumper, sort that out.
Nice, what you call it?
We've got that little pump that to pump it out.
Yeah, but I think not pump it out. So if you come this way, so it's been hit. This is pushed it, so you need to pull it backwards and then out, so an angle. If you do it this way, you're only creasing it more, the metal. So this is going in, so it needs to go out. So push it
Yeah,
backwards
so then we
this
can
way.
put the pump from that side, pushing it in this way, push it out first.
The
hydraulic pump we've got,
jig,
yeah.
jig pump, yeah.
Yeah, that we can do with that.
Yes.
So we don't crease anything, and that's everything. And we
Or you
can,
get a puller, hook it in there, and just pull it down a little bit, and then come out.
yeah, we could do that as well. Yeah, but let's see how it goes. We'll take the bumper off and assess it from there. See where we can do what we can do.
Yeah, I reckon the M Sport upgrade will look nice on this Beamer.
Yeah, I reckon it will.
Now, you know what? I'm actually quite. This is the first time I'm seeing it in daylight. I actually like it.
It's a black bumper, isn't it?
It's a black bumper, but this is the same colour as our car,
Yeah.
the diffuser.
So we got to spray the bumper as well then.
I'm gonna spray the bumper, yeah. Take the diffuser, and then we can put a.
Aggressive diffuser.
It's called Maxton diffuser. Yes.
Yeah, put that one there. And I was saying, on that tip, we can put a twin tip on top of that tip
but you'll
exhaust.
have to cut, if you get the Maxton one with the double
Exhaust, yeah.
exhaust hole, then yeah. Otherwise, it's gonna be a single one.
Yeah.